Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas pudding pup in Adopt Me. This adorable pet is a special, limited-time addition to the game, usually appearing during the festive winter holiday event. To acquire this charming companion, players typically need to participate in the event and look for specific pet boxes or eggs available for purchase. It's a fun way to add a unique pet to your collection, so let's dive into the details of how you can find one. The Christmas Pudding Pup is exclusively available during Adopt Me's annual winter holiday event. This festive celebration typically kicks off in early December and lasts for several weeks, bringing a joyful atmosphere to the game. Always keep an eye on the official Adopt Me in-game news and social media channels for precise event start and end dates. During the event, you might find a special event currency used to buy unique items, including this delightful pet. To get your very own Christmas pudding pup, you'll generally need to acquire a special Christmas-themed egg or pet box. These exclusive items are usually found within the game's event shop during the winter holiday. You can often purchase them using either in-game currency, like gingerbread, or with Robux. The price for these special eggs or boxes can vary, but they often cost around 600 to 1,500 Robux, so be prepared. If you happen to miss the winter holiday event, don't worry. You still have a chance to get the Christmas pudding pup through player trading. Many players collect these limited pets, and you might find someone willing to trade. Remember that the value of event pets often increases once the event ends, making them more sought after. Always ensure you are trading safely and verifying all offers before confirming any exchanges in the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.